Is this thing on? Welcome back. This is Sierra, and if you are new around here, my name is Sierra and I'm an American who lives in Japan. Every week I try to make a new video about my family's life in Japan and how we live a little bit more sustainably. So if you clicked on this video, you probably already know what we're going to be talking about because it's in the video title, but if you don't, today we're going to be doing my first ever unboxing of Stitch Fix, which this box looks tiny, but I will tell you it's a lot heavier than it looks. If you've never heard of Stitch Fix before, which I think a lot of people have just because it's been around for quite some time, and I know I'm late to the party and signing up, but I'm making this video anyway. If you've never heard of Stitch Fix before, the way that it works is it is basically a personal stylist shopping service that comes directly to your door. So what you do first is you go onto the Stitch Fix website and you fill out kind of a little style quiz that talks about your height, your weight, your sizes, and your style preferences and the type of clothes that you like to wear. Then a real human, a personal stylist, will go through all of your preferences and your notes that you make about the clothing that you like, and they will send you a box full of clothes that you can try on at home and then decide which clothes you want to buy and then send back any of the ones that you don't want to buy. The last thing I want to mention about Stitch Fix that I feel like doesn't get talked about enough is that there is a mandatory $20 styling fee that is added to your account as soon as you order your box. However, that $20 isn't really a fee in a sense, because if and when you decide to purchase something from your box, you get that $20 back when it comes to purchasing any of the items that are in your box. So anyways, without further ado, let's open this box, because this box has been sitting in my living room for 2 days taunting me because I have not had time until today to make this video. There we go. Okay, the box is open. I am super excited to see what's inside, but I looked at the customs form and it looks like the total of my box was $350, so there should be $350 retail worth of clothing in this box. I don't know if I'm going to keep it all, but we'll see if I end up keeping it. One last thing I wanted to point out before I take this stuff out is that this video is not in collaboration with Stitch Fix, and this is not a sponsorship. However, every Stitch Fix client does receive a personalized discount link to give out to family and friends, so if you use the referral link, I think you should be able to get a discount on your first box. I'll drop it in the description, and I'll put a little bit more of a better description along with the link in the description. Okay, I can't wait to get any more, so let's open the box. It has a little envelope, which I'm gonna guess has like my bill inside of it, but I don't want to look at that right now because I want to look at each item itself and then decide if I like it before I look at the price. Okay, so I open my box. It looks like this, and all of my clothing is inside. Ooh. So far I really like what I'm seeing. Just a bunch of stuff floating around in there. Okay, I guess I'm just gonna go in and pull each thing out at a time and hold it up and look at it. So first thing I've got looks like some kind of sweater. It is definitely a sweater, and it's purple, which is interesting. I don't know that I would pick out a grape colored sweater for myself, but it looks like this. I don't really know what I think about this. It's just like your classic knitted sweater, and it has a high cut neck. One thing that I did request that you guys might notice, I hope that my stylist took into account when shopping for me, is that because I live in Japan, this area is like highly sexualized, so we don't show chest cleavage in Japan because it's something you just don't do. However, for some reason, cheeks and legs are totally okay. Anyway, so back to this sweater. So see, it's just like your classic purple sweater. I did ask for fall clothing, so I think most of the stuff in the box is going to be fall clothing. And okay, on the sleeves it kind of has like a stripe, which I don't know what I think about that, but it's definitely cute. Don't know about this sweater yet. Haven't tried it on yet, but as of right now I think this sweater might be a no, but I'm gonna have faith and just keep trying and see what else came in the box. Okay, next item in the bag appears to be a pair of, are these sweatpants? Oh, I think it's a dress. Yeah, it's a dress. And interesting. Okay, I guess it's a t-shirt dress. And it has, what's interesting is like this like weird ruching on the side. So I don't know what I think about that yet. Maybe it'll be really good for like moving around and make it like more like wearable, because it looks like it's like kind of like a tube dress. So I think that might be good to help keep things comfortable and flowy, I guess. I don't know. The only concern that I have is this material is just like a regular t-shirt material, and it's pretty thin, so I don't know about that yet. Next item from here is a skirt, I think. Ooh, I actually really think this is pretty. It looks like this. I feel like this is one of these things that has to be tried on before I can actually make a decision on it. But yeah, I don't know. Okay. Maybe. Okay, next item from the box. Oh, if you guys have watched my capsule wardrobe videos, you guys will know that I'm excited about this. It looks like it's another white sweater, which who doesn't need another white sweater? I have like 100 white sweaters. Oh, no, it is a sweater. It is a cardigan. And it's very cute, very pretty. I really like the pattern on it. It's not something that I would pick out. It's got kind of like a triangle pattern. Usually I go for kind of a like basic overall type knit, which is what the purple sweater is, but I really like how this looks so far. It also has these like patches, which I said no leather and no suede, so I'm gonna, on my quiz, so I'm gonna guess that these are faux suede or whatever. Ooh, this is actually really nice. The sleeves are a little bit long for me, but I guess the whole point is that you can roll these up. Oh, this is interesting. It has like front pockets in it, but what I don't like is that the front pocket like goes like up. I don't know. We'll see. This is definitely gonna go in the maybe pile. It looks like there's only one more item in here, and it looks like it is a pants. Nope. It is a jacket, which I don't know. I'm not a big fan of these kind of pockets like in the front of jackets, but I guess we can try it on and see what it looks like. But my initial thought on this jacket is no, not even close. Ooh, this jacket is like really like, I thought that it was a denim, but it's like oddly stretchy. I don't know. Maybe I'll buy this, maybe I won't buy this, I'm not sure. And I think that's everything in the box because all that's left is this. So now I guess we're just gonna go through the bill slash receipt type thing, and we'll look at how much everything costs because I'm genuinely curious about this. As I said earlier, I know that the value of the box is $350, so I don't think I'm gonna keep everything in the box, but let's see. Aww, has my name on it. On the front it says, "Hi Sierra." So we have, the first item in the box was the Liverpool denim jacket, and that was $98, which, I don't know, do you guys think that this is a $98 jacket? I'm not sure if it's a $98 jacket. I'm gonna have to research the company and look at the fibers and look at the knitting and stuff, but I feel like this jacket, if it were $100, should be, I don't know, a lot more like texture, like have more like structure to it. I don't know. Dark purple pullover, that's this one, with the white on the sleeves, and that was $38. You can set your prices. I feel like $38 for this is a good price. I just don't know if I like it. Hallie Mint Midi Dress Black. So I think that this dress is what they're talking about, by the black dress pullover, and this one is $88. So I don't know. Is this an $88 dress? I mean, the fabric is pretty thin, but I think I'm gonna have to try this on a couple more times to see if it's worth what they're charging for it. Okay, and then the sweater is the next item on the list, and this is the Antoine Cotton Blend white sweater, and this one was $68, which I think that for the sweater, honestly, $68 is probably a pretty good price point because this is obviously knitted. And the little detailing probably had to be done either on a really delicate machine or by hand. The last thing was the Stage midi skirt, which is this one, which the more I look at it, the more I think maybe I do want to keep it. But as I said, I'm gonna have to try all this on probably 10 or 15 times to decide whether or not I actually like this. But the price on this one is $68. So that's everything that's in the box. My total is $350. However, it looks like if you buy everything in your box, you actually get 25% off. So if I decide to keep everything in the box, then I'll get $87 off. So it'll knock the total down to $262 minus the credit that I get for the styling fees, so that'll be $242.50, assuming that I keep everything that is in the box. Okay, so all that being said, I think we are all set with this video. I don't have really anything else to say other than this is stuff that I got and I'm going to try it on 100 times and then decide if I'm going to keep it. If you guys liked what you saw today and you're interested in trying Stitch Fix for yourself, I'm not sponsored by Stitch Fix, but I do have my personalized link in the description, which I think that if you use it you get a little bit of a discount. So if you want to try that out, that's there for you. If you guys have any questions about my experience, or if you guys want to know what I decided to keep, let me know in the comment section and I'll add that to either Instagram or on another video. Otherwise, we're all set. So if you like this video, which I'm assuming that you did because you watched to this point, please make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.